This is still one bedroom. So we're here in the third unit. So let's check. Kitchen is the same. Oh wow. This is even nicer with the whole window. Then bedroom. This is your toilet. And the closet. No balcony. Now we're on the 14th floor. This will be the 4th unit. It's one bedroom apartments. Look at the hallway. It's so spacious, clean, and bright. Ang ganda. So this is still one bedroom, guys, but a different layout. So this is the living room, but you have a separate space in here with open windows, and this is the view. So we're on the 5th floor now. This is the last unit that we're going to check. 511, still the same. There's a balcony. It's used also. So it's the swimming pool area. Malaki siya, actually. Building, and this is the building. And the pool area. There's a lap pool and a smaller one. Okay. So that's it, guys. We're here at the Gate 1 Residences. So we have checked 5 one-bedroom units. Nakita nyo ang ganda. Actually, gusto ko siya. Spacious, maliwanag. Then maganda yung windows. Open windows with a view of the city. So yes. This is the third building that we have checked today. Hindi ko na video yung first and second. Hello, so we just arrived at IKEA. Mag-window shopping tayo.
Flying high, I'm sure you must see it too, but your eyes need to show your mind.
Let's check the furniture.
Flying high.
So as usual, window shopping, guys. Tingin lang tayo kung ano yung pwede. No?
Flying high.
This is my favorite drink now. Biotin folic acid. So if you're like me guys who can't really drink water, this stuff is really nice. But for me, I always go with this vitamin C plus D, zinc and biotin. It's only 9 dirhams here at IKEA. It's also available in Carrefour. Time check, it's 7:30. So now we'll go for dinner. So this is our newfound favorite. Last time we had the shrimps and the steak, so now we'll have the same. Love this one. Hi! So we're here at Ibn Batutta. Siguro nagtataka kayo guys, but ito na lang palagi yung mall na pinupuntahan namin. Tsaka yung Festival Plaza. Kasi malapit yung hotel na tinutuluyan namin every weekend for the past 1 month and maybe another month. Mga 30 minutes na lang siya papuntang Holiday Inn. Another window shopping, guys. Hi, we're at Al Mamzar now. So we just decided to take away some food and dito natin kakainin. Just exploring a bit the area. Titingnan lang namin tong building na kinoconstruct harap ng Al Mamzar. So yan guys, kung hindi pa kayo nagawi dito sa Al Mamzar, parang border siya ng Sharjah. So that is Sharjah on that side. Then this is Dubai on this side. The Al Mamzar beach. Actually maganda dito, very peaceful. Tapos ang ganda ng view with the water, you can see the color, ang ganda. Ganda lang mag-chill, picnic. Then meron din siyang running track up to it's a long stretch actually. So yeah, if you wanna check this out and visit Al Mamzar. Look at the view, guys. It's so nice. Ayan, so ang harap ng building na to is beach, and then may kainan, mga food trucks. Then over there is Sharjah city. Around there may jet ski school or jet ski lesson. Yeah, it's nice in here. Hi, so we left the furniture market and now we're here at the Dragon Mart. So let's go window shopping. Office chairs. Blitz. Very nice.